what Samsung is going to get out of this now. Just as Apple did with its continuity feature, Google announced that it is bringing mobile and desktop closer together by merging Android and Chrome OS. Some of the features include being able to automatically sign into your Chromebook laptop when your Android phone is nearby, as well as seeing notifications for incoming call messages and low battery life on your laptop screen. You'll also get some of your favourite